country recently launched the H-3 rocket carrying the Michibiki No. 6 satellite? A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. Russia. Correct answer is Japan. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, successfully launched the fifth H-3 rocket, which carried the Michibiki No. 6 satellite. This satellite will play a crucial role in enhancing Japan's positioning system, a key component of its own version of the US Global Positioning System, GPS. What is the name of the joint military exercise between the Indian Army and the Maldives National Defence Force that began on 2 February 2025? A. Mond Defence. B. Operation Ocean Shield. C. Ecuverin. Correct answer is Ecuverin. The 13th edition of the joint military exercise, Ecuverin, between the Indian Army and the Maldives National Defence Force began on 2 February 2025 in the Maldives. This bilateral annual exercise, named Ecuverin, which means friends in the Dhivehi language, is conducted alternately in India and the Maldives. The 2023 edition took place in Choptia, Uttarakhand, from June 11 to 24. Which of the following are the 7 big cats the International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, aims to conserve? Correct answer is tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, jaguar, and puma. The Framework Agreement on the Establishment of the International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, has officially come into force, as announced by the Environment Ministry. The IBCA and its secretariat have become a treaty-based, intergovernmental international organization and legal entity as of 23 January. 5 countries, Nicaragua, Eswatini, India, Somalia, and Liberia, have deposited their instruments of ratification under the Framework Agreement. A total of 27 countries, including India, have consented to join the IBCA. Several international and national organizations working in wildlife conservation have partnered with the IBCA. Which country recently set a record by running its artificial sun for over 1,000 seconds? A. USA. B. Russia. C. China. D. Japan. Correct answer is China. EAST, also known as China's artificial sun, maintained a steady-state high-confinement plasma operation for 1,000 plus seconds, reaching a temperature of 100 million degrees C. A tokamak is a machine that confines a plasma using magnetic fields in a donut shape to harness the energy of fusion. Which country recently demonstrated artificial photosynthesis in space using the Shenzhou 19 mission? A. USA. B. Russia. C. China. D. Japan. Correct answer is China. Recently, China's Shenzhou 19 crew aboard the Tiangong space station made advancement in space exploration by successfully conducting the first in-orbit demonstration of artificial photosynthesis technology. This breakthrough allows for the production of oxygen and rocket fuel ingredients in space, enhancing future missions, including a planned crewed moon landing by 2030. Which Indian state has launched the Chocolate War initiative to combat illegal opium cultivation? A. Chhattisgarh. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer is Jharkhand. The Jharkhand police has launched the Chocolate War initiative to combat illegal opium cultivation in Maoist-affected regions. Police distribute chocolate wrapped with anti-opium messages in rural weekly markets. The rapper highlights legal consequences of opium cultivation under the NDPS Act, warning of up to life imprisonment and property confiscation. In which Indian state were two new species of cardamom recently discovered? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is Kerala. An international research team has identified two new species of cardamom in Kerala's western Ghats, expanding the genus Elateria to 7 species. Known as the Queen of Spices, cardamom, Elateria cardamomum, is a highly aromatic spice belonging to the Zingibraceae, ginger, family. In which Indian state has the first white tiger breeding center been approved? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Central Zoo Authority, CZA, has approved India's first white tiger breeding center in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Planned in Govindgarh near Mukundpur's White Tiger Safari, the project, initially approved in 2011, aims to conserve biodiversity, boost wildlife tourism, and generate local employment. The Asian Winter Games 2025 will be held in which country? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Kazakhstan. Correct answer is China. The government has approved the participation of the Indian contingent at the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 to be held from 7th to 14th February in Harbin, China. The Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry said in a statement that it has given clearance for the participation of an 88-member Indian contingent, which includes 59 athletes and 29 team officials. Who won the Allan Border Medal at the 2025 Australian Cricket Awards? A. Pat Cummins. B. Steve Smith. C. Travis Head. D. David Warner. Correct answer is Travis Head. Travis Head received the prestigious Allan Border Medal for Australia's top male cricketer, while Annabelle Sutherland was honoured with the Belinda Clark Medal. Head also won the Men's ODI Player of the Year award, and Josh Hazlewood was named Men's Test Player of the Year. Sutherland's achievements included scoring her maiden Test century at the MCG. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.